Good evening, everyone. Hoping you all are safe and healthy. I, Ankan Paul, and joining me today is Mr. Vaibhav, a trainer, a mentor at Derivative Trading Academy. He has been in the market for the last 6 years and has mastered the volatility index and has five strategies published based on his expertise on volatility index trading, both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So today, Mr. Vaibhav will be throwing a light and guiding us on how we can trade on index options and how to decipher them. So without much delay, let's understand what Mr. Vaibhav has in store for us to enrich our understanding on index option trading. We will be opening the floor for questions post the session. You can also type in your questions in the chat box. Over to you, Vaibhav. Vaibhav,
Vaibhav,
I
yeah.
would request you to unmute yourself.
So hello everyone, welcome to Algo Bulls. So this is Vaibhav Barge from Derivative Trading Academy. So as suggest, session is all about implied volatility. So let's begin the session. I hope am I audible and visible to all of you. So let's start the session. So before starting session, so right now we have more than 84 attendees. So that is very good. So those who are trader, those who are doing trading from last 2 to 3 years, you might facing some kind of issue. Whenever you are doing trading, I hope that you have some kind of issue. So what are those issues? What are those problems? So that is what we are going to discuss in the session. So let's start the session. So before starting session, let me tell you about myself. So I am working with Derivative Trading Academy as a chief trader, as a chief trainer. You can check our website. So I'm in the market from last more than 7 to 8 years and working only in option strategy. So that's about me. Just short introduction. So let's start the session. So let's say you are doing trading from last 1 year or more than 2 years. So these are the biggest problem at trading. So first, most important problem, I am a working professional. I don't have enough time to trade. So is it same problem with you? So yes, then you are at right place. Second problem, when to take the right entry, when to take the right exit. See, market open at 9:15 and close at 3:30. So we don't know when to take entry, when to take exit. So that is also we are going to discuss. Next, how to manage your stop loss. Stop loss is most important factor in the stock market to protect your capital. Without stop loss, you cannot work. So stop loss. So how to do that management, that also we will learn. Again, stop loss and trailing targets. Then the most important, while doing a trading, what is my risk? What is my reward? Because most of people doing trading, they don't know what is their risk and reward. Just entering blindly in the market. मैं अभी एंट्री करता हूं, जो होगा देखा जाएगा. That is not the process. You have to work with proper risk and reward method. Then, as an option trader, how to select the strike price. This is one of the biggest problem for 95% option trader. ऑप्शन में ट्रेडिंग करना पता है, बट हाउ टू सिलेक्ट द स्ट्राइक प्राइस, दैट दे डोंट नो एट ऑल. सो आफ्टर सिलेक्टिंग स्ट्राइक प्राइस, द मेजर enemy, that is your time decay, volatility risk. So how to control that risk? So that is also big challenge for all of you. And as an option trader, you must know about all Greeks. Without having knowledge of option Greeks, you cannot trade in the market. That is my opinion, because I am an option trader and I am doing option trading from last more than 6 to 7 years. So option Greeks is very important for the option trader. And Last problem, can we generate consistent income? So these all are the problem for the all the traders or the freshers and all the beginner. So that's what we are going to discuss in this session. Fine. So let's start the strategy part. So I hope everyone knows about the option because you are attending this session. So you must know about the option. I hope all of you know basic of the stock market. आपको stock market का थोड़ा थोड़ा knowledge पता होगा. What is option? We can buy option. We can sell option. Okay, ये तो आपको पता होगा. I wish that. And let me tell you all about the option strategy. So those who are working professional don't know how to take the right entry, don't know how to take the right exit. So everything we will do with help of mathematics and algorithm trading. So what is algorithm trading? That I will explain later, that our team will explain later. First, understand the strategy. So for example, okay. So for example, while doing option strategy, so what is meaning of strategy? Strategy means combination of two trades. So whenever you are taking entry for the bullish market, for the bearish market, or for the sideways market, we combine the two or more legs. So that is called option strategy. So now try to understand the benefit, the advantage of combination trade. So combination trade, so your risk and reward is fixed. So whenever you are doing combination, your risk, reward, everything is fixed. So no need to worry about your stop loss, your target, or let's say market is opening gap up, market is opening gap down. So no need to worry about that kind of risk because we already protected that risk in our combination trade. Then as an option buyer, one of the most important enemy that is called time decay is very active. So if you are working with combination trade, again, losing money chance is very less. And again, combination trade, all your Greeks are under control. For example, delta, your gamma, your theta and vega, all are under control. So no need to worry about any kind of threat. And the last, option strategy are less risky than equities and future. They have the potential to deliver higher percentage of return. So that is what we are going to learn now. Okay, so let me explain about my algo strategy. I already have 5 algo combination. So before moving to algo combination, let me show you first the mathematics. Okay, so how option premium price increase and decrease? Any idea? So those who are option trader, those who don't have any experience, they will tell that if future price goes up, then your call option price increase. If future price goes down, then your put price will increase. But there are lots of other factors which help to option price to increase or to decrease. So let's understand the mathematics of option premium. So option premium price, option premium price derive from theta So theta, vega, gamma, and delta. So these all 4 major Greeks which help option premium to increase or decrease. So as today is expiry, all the Greeks expired at 0 because today is expiry. So let's understand. My strategy is totally based on this Greek. The Greek name is Vega, and IV. IV is for implied volatility. So let's understand mathematics. So this is your implied volatility. So this is IV. This is your option premium. So now here we will combine the premium for understanding purpose. Call premium plus put premium. So now here we are combining the premium. So combination trade, we normally called it straddle or strangle. Okay. So focus here. Whenever market implied volatility is increasing, your option premium, that is straddle premium, will increase. So in this type of market, which strategy we have to buy, apply or deploy? Option buying strategy or option selling strategy? So now you are thinking, if implied volatility is increasing, your Vega is increasing, so definitely your option premium also will increase. So at that time, you can apply long straddle or long strangle strategy. So whenever market volatility is increasing, be ready with your strategy. So this is for volatile market. What about when market volatility is falling? Can we apply any kind of trade in that kind of market? So yes, so same. So if implied volatility is falling, so it will affect on option premium. So you have to apply short straddle or short strangle strategy. So this is the concept behind my algorithm. Is that clear? I hope all of you are understanding the concept. So now normally market goes volatile or market become a less volatile. So there are two possibilities. So whenever market is volatile, as per our system, you can deploy long strangle strategy. But whenever market is less volatile, what happened today? So at that kind of situation, you can apply short straddle strategy. Okay. Now you know how to apply this strategy. Now question is, can we deploy this kind of trade manually? Is it possible that we can apply this kind of trade every day from 9:30 to 3:30? Is it possible us to analyze the volatility of market? I am there from 6 years. I am there in the stock market, but applying manually this type strategy, it is very difficult. You can apply right away, but you don't know how to exit. So that is the reason, if you apply this kind of trade with help of algorithm trade, your loss chance is very less and probability of profit is very high. So these two strategy totally depend on mathematics. It is not depend on the view. Market is bullish, bearish, doesn't matter. Market में volatility चाहिए. That's it. If market is less volatile, your short straddle can deploy automatically after 9:30. Let's say market is high volatile, your long strangle will deploy automatically. So these are the strategy you can apply in live market with help of algo trading. You cannot apply manually. Now let me show you with help of graph. With help of graph, then you will understand the actual concept of this strategy. So this is straddle graph. So look at this graph carefully. Blue color one is implied volatility and orange color one is your straddle premium, call and put premium. So how it affect on option premium? So if implied volatility is increasing, your option premium also increasing. So let's say after 9:30, market implied volatility started increasing. So Algo will catch this automatically because I have already coded that thing, and it will deploy only sell option strategy. Okay. Sorry, if implied volatility is increasing, it will deploy buy option strategy. So buying option strategy, so anyway, it will buy call option as well as it will buy put option. So now how it will affect on call put premium, let's understand that now with help of software. So now here I will select long straddle. So this is our software. So where you can create any kind of strategy. Now I will select here next week expiry because 30th December is already over. So now let's check payoff chart. Okay. So now premium is calculating. So now here you have to note down implied volatility. So right now implied volatility is 18.71. So that is for both option, call option as well as for put option. And it is show this profit and loss is for 6 Jan. It is not for 2 days. So I will change the day for expiry. And I will make it here 7 days left for expiry. Now look at the payoff chart. So now we are expecting high volatile market. So what will happen to volatility? Volatility will increase or decrease. So whenever market is high volatile, now I haven't changed any volatility. Now I will change this volatility. So let's expect high volatile market. So let's change this volatility to 25. And then let's see what is the payoff. So now look at this payoff chart.
Vaibhav, sorry to interrupt you in between.
Yeah.
Can we have the session in English and Hindi both?
Both language. Okay, fine.
So middle you can speak in Hindi as well.
Okay, fine. Chalega. No problem. Because I'm not able to see chat box, so that is the reason. Okay, fine. Okay. So now we are expecting high volatile market. मतलब market का volatility बढ़ेगा. Volatility means what? Upside and downside movement. The high movement is high, you can say market is high volatile. If movement is less, you can say market is less volatile. Okay. So now I will show you with help of other software. That is Opstra. So now let's say we need to plan long triangle strategy, 6 Jan expiry. So what I will do, I will buy at the money call and I will buy at the money put. तो मैंने यहाँ पे कॉल और पुट दोनों बाय किया हुआ है. Okay. So now can you see your blue color line? So blue color line represent intraday payoff chart. आपको इंट्राडे में प्रॉफिट कितना आएगा वो आपको यहां पे दिख रहा है, राइट? So here now look at this implied volatility. So now this strategy is designed such a way, if market implied volatility is increasing, look at your blue color line increasing, yes or no? The blue color line is giving you profit. आपको profit आने का chance बहुत ज्यादा है as a intraday. Is that clear? I hope all of you are understanding. So this is about long triangle strategy. So whenever market is volatile, market is going to become super volatile, deploy this kind of strategy. So now question is how to identify market is volatile, market is less volatile, or market is normal. So that you can identify with help of India VIX. India VIX is India Nifty India Volatility Index indicator. So that is only for Nifty 50 index. So usually whenever market is volatile, you will see more than 6 to 10% movement in India VIX. So whenever market is less volatile, you will see less movement in India VIX. So today, if you check properly, today India VIX just increased by 2%, plus 2%. So 2% का मतलब है मार्केट में कोई वोलाटिलिटी नहीं है, मार्केट आज नॉर्मल है, मार्केट आज पूरा दिन फ्लैट ही रहेगा. So now today market expired in a smaller range because market का volatility पूरा down था, flat था. So this is how you can identify the volatility. So now let's get back to our example. So this is for long triangle strategy. So if you are buying option, if market is high volatile, profit probability is very, very, very high. Now let's change the scenario. What if market is less volatile? For example, Nifty. आज पूरा दिन निफ्टी फ्लैट था. आज देखो, कल देखो, डे बिफोर यस्टरडे market was flat, right? So whenever doji type of candle form, you can say market was flat. So whenever you check the Nifty chart, you will see most of time market flat. आपको हमेशा market flat ही दिखेगा. So how to work in that kind of market? So this strategy is designed such a way. For example, अगर मार्केट का वोलाटिलिटी गिरना चालू होता है, फॉर एग्जांपल टुडे मार्केट वाज फ्लैट और मार्केट वाज साइडवेज, ऑटोमेटिकली यूर सेल स्ट्रेटेजी विल डिप्लॉय. आपका सेल वाला स्ट्रेटेजी डिप्लॉय हो जाएगा. सो अगेन एज पर मैथमेटिक्स, वोलाटिलिटी फॉलिंग, ऑप्शन प्रीमियम इज फॉलिंग. सो लेट्स चेक दैट विथ हेल्प ऑफ software. So now I will change buy option to sell option. Now this strategy we have to apply in Bank Nifty because Bank Nifty is high volatile than Nifty. तो हमको मार्केट के कंडीशन के साथ खेलना है, not with our condition. Whatever market condition that we have to apply. So Bank Nifty. So let's say 35,000 call. Now we are selling this call. Add, put, add. So now look at this. So if you look properly, risk is very unlimited, but don't worry, I will come on that point. So first right now focus on the implied volatility. अब हम लोग ध्यान देते हैं implied volatility पे. So look at this. Now we are expecting less volatile market. So I will reduce this volatility. Look at this. Your probability of profit is very high. If market volatility decrease by 10%, you will get 2,100 profit in just one day. So this profit is for one day. So this is the advantage of मार्केट इम्प्लाइड वोलाटिलिटी. अगर आपको वोलाटिलिटी का गेम समझ में आ गया, आपको पैसे बनाने से कोई नहीं रोकेगा. द फर्स्ट मेजर पार्ट, नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट व्यू. मार्केट बुलिश है या बेरिश है, हमें उससे कोई लेना देना नहीं है. हमें लेना देना है मार्केट की वोलाटिलिटी से. नाउ इन दिस स्ट्रेटेजी, सेलिंग ऑप्शन still is risky. So that is the reason we have added here 50% stop loss. let's say after deploying this strategy, market become a super volatile. It is possible. मार्केट है, मार्केट का कोई भरोसा नहीं है. अगर हम लोग ये स्ट्रेटेजी अप्लाई करते हैं एंड मार्केट सुपर वोलाटाइल बनता है, देन आवर अल्गो स्ट्रेटेजी विल ऑटोमेटिकली एग्जिट वन स्ट्रेटेजी. ये जो लॉस दे रहा है उसे एग्जिट करेगा एंड ऑटोमेटिकली जो प्रॉफिट दे रहा है उसे ट्रेल करेगा. सो अगेन, इफ मार्केट इज ट्रेंडी, probability of profit is very high. Now let's understand how. Let's say market is going bullish. Market अब ऊपर जा रहा है, तो हमें कॉल, सेल कॉल लॉस देगा. So automatically at 750 your call leg will exited. Automatically आपका 750 पे कॉल का स्ट्राइक स्क्वायर अप हो जाएगा and this leg will trail its stop loss automatically. Right now price is not matching, but most of time both premium you have to match. So that algo will do it for you. दोनों का प्रीमियम सेम रहेगा, वो algo automatically चेक करेगा. So here it will exit at 750, but here this will not exit. ये strategy exit नहीं होगा, ये अपना stop loss को trail करता जाएगा. So whatever your loss, once it is in profit, then your strategy will exit automatically. So that is the advantage of this strategy. So when market is flat, probability of profit is high. When market is bullish, probability of profit high. When market is bearish, probability of profit high. But yes, there is loss chance. आपको लॉस कब होगा? जब मार्केट ट्रेंडी है और रिवर्स हो जाएगा. अगर मार्केट ऊपर जा रहा है एंड सडनली मार्केट ने रिवर्स ले लिया, एट दैट टाइम यू विल गेट लॉस. सो लॉस इज पार्ट ऑफ गेम, डोंट वरी, आपको बहुत बड़ा लॉस नहीं होगा. यू विल गेट 1000, 2000 और मैक्स टू मैक्स 3000. तो हमने एक कंडीशन बिल्ड किया हुआ है, 3000 के ऊपर आपको लॉस होगा ही नहीं. सो इफ मार्केट इज ट्रेंडी, falling, then loss is chance there. If market is falling and suddenly started reversing, at that time you will get the loss. But anyway, most of time market is flat, so probability of profit is very high in this strategy. So I hope everyone understood my strategy. So anyone have any question about this strategy?
Above, we would be taking up the questions at the end of the session, so I think we can carry on. And then
Okay,
I will
fine.
point out.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, now let's move to the next concept, that is called time decay. So normally short triangle strategy, time decay always active whenever you are holding your position for next day. But as a intraday, there is some kind of time decay. So that also you will get in this strategy. So this strategy is designed such a manner, so you don't have to worry about any kind of situation or any kind of threat in the market. So let me show you theta decay as well. Theta decay, just a minute, let me check any other script. So I'm just explaining theta decay. So in theta decay, okay, so here look at this theta. So theta, you will always see theta is in negative. So theta is minus 15.57. So that means this 15 rupees belongs to option seller. So intraday का भी इसके अंदर जो भी डीके रहेगा वो भी आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा. So this strategy is basically designed with help of implied volatility, with help of theta decay, and with help of mathematics. So totally depend on mathematics. So I repeat, view is not important at all. If you want to become a smart trader, think like a smart trader. Let the market work for you, not you have to work for market. Now I am there in the stock market from last 6 to 7 years. So I learn one thing. You never work for market. आप जितना भी trading करोगे उतना आपके लिए enough नहीं है. Let the market work for you. And now with help of Algo Bulls, with help of Algo platform, market is working for me. So why you are waiting? Just subscribe all our strategy based on implied volatility, which will definitely help you for consistent income. So now let's move to the consistent income part. I hope everyone want consistent income. So when you will get the result? So if you are applying, doing any kind of business, you will not get result in 1 day, 2 day or 3 day or 1 month, 2 month. आप जब भी कोई business start करते हो, you have to wait at least for 1 year. So same concept you have to apply while doing any algo strategy. You cannot depend on 1 day trade. You cannot depend on 1 month trade, or you cannot depend on 2 month trade. You have to trade at least for 6 to 1 year. अगर आप 6 महीना या 1 साल कोई भी स्ट्रेटेजी पे काम करते हो, then only you will get the proper consistent result. So this is what I want to say. No result, keep working. Bad result, keep working. Great result, keep working. Consistency is the success of key. Right? So I hope everyone understood concept of my strategy. So Yash, are you there? Yash?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah.
Yes, Vaibhav. So yeah, like as Vaibhav was speaking about all the strategies, which Vaibhav was talking, that all the strategies are completely automated on our platform. So now I'll just take you through the platform and actually show you how you can actually automate all your trading experience and all the things using a powerful tool called AlgoBulls. And we people have specially collaborated with Edelweiss and build a tailored software or build a tailored solution for Edelweiss clients. So I would just like to share my screen and actually take you through the platform and how you guys, and actually show how everybody can actually automate their trading experience seamlessly. So as you could see my screen, as you could see my screen over here, you could over here, this is our landing page called this is our landing page AlgoBulls, wherein we people have created an end-to-end fully automated algorithmic trading platform, wherein we people have brought in a twist by creating one of India's largest marketplace of a pool of algorithmic trading strategies. So on our platform, we people have approximately 200 plus strategies live created by experts like Vaibhav Bharge, who have been experienced in the market and created various different strategy on implied volatility and etc. Apart from that, what brings credibility to our platform is we people are currently live with National Stock Exchange, Bombay Stock Exchange, and MCX, which are three of the biggest exchanges in India where all the security market transaction happens, which means you can build strategies and you can use your strategy in your Edelweiss account which are related to NSE derivatives, NSE cash, PSE cash, MCX, which are commodity markets, and etc. Apart from that, we are also working on getting international exchanges integrated with us, which is currently under beta mode, and will soon be live with international investing and trading solution too. Apart from that, when we people usually talk about algorithmic trading, right? So we people have this question, okay, Vaibhav sir said something really amazing that, okay, practicing short strangle or maybe calendar spread over like over a normal trading period or by just placing the orders, checking the volatility, that becomes really difficult. But idea of automation also sounds really interesting. But we people always have this question, okay, if even I get the right amount of knowledge, how do I actually code the strategy and bring it? How do I connect to brokers API? How do I connect to exchanges? How do I get my order ID punched? How do I actually automate each and everything? How do I manage my order IDs? How do I manage my order execution engine and order management engine? So there are so many questions we people as retail traders or even experienced trader come up with, and we people end up thinking, okay, algorithmic trading is something which is really difficult for everybody of us. So to solve this problem, what we people have done in AlgoBulls is we people have created a marketplace of ready to use algorithmic trading strategies where any individual can come in and simply automate the strategy with our prime brokerage partners being Edelweiss plus 27 plus brokerage houses connected to three major exchanges, BSE, NSE, and MCX. So it is so simple that you just need to add the strategy to your portfolio, click on start, and the rest logics are there in the system which will automatically start executing your trading experience. So now I would like to show you how you guys can actually start algorithmic trading on your own. So we have created as I was saying, we people have created a tailor-made solution for the clients, and our solution name is edelweiss.algobulls.com. I'll be dropping the link over the chat section, from where you guys can actually follow me on the screen and actually continue start your algorithmic trading journey right away. So I believe you guys received the link. From here, what you guys can do is you guys have different option. If you guys have an Edelweiss account, you can directly click sign in with Edelweiss. You can punch in your login ID and password and proceed. If not, yeah, so suppose if you guys have an Edelweiss account, you can directly sign in. You can directly sign in with Edelweiss, or you can log in with your registered mobile number and password. In case if you want to create a new account, you can directly go out to sign in. You can directly go out on the sign in option, fill in your name, email ID, address, and get the OTP and directly create a new account with AlgoBulls. So since I already have an ID, I'll directly activate this account. I'll directly log in. And then this is going to take me to the dashboard, which gives me end-to-end insight on how my trading has been going over the periods of algorithmic trading. So this is an AlgoBulls Money Money, wherein you get to know end-to-end things about what were the funds added to your AlgoBulls account, which are AlgoBulls Money, which will be used to conduct algorithmic trading. This shows you what is the trading volume I have been trading in. It shows you the profit and loss statement. Apart from that, like from the dashboard side, you get end-to-end insight. From today's view to weekly view to monthly view to yearly view. It shows you what is the trading volume you have been trading with, what is the profit and loss over the period of this trading days, and what was the AlgoBulls Money usage over the period of time. So you get end-to-end insight in the dashboard, which shows you everything about how your algorithmic trading journey has been so far. Apart from that, as I was talking about marketplace, we people have three marketplaces. Our marketplace is divided into three segments, which is retail, premium, and HNI. So with the retail marketplace, you could see cash intraday strategies and cash futures and maybe commodity strategies, which come in with low risk to reward ratio. So over here, you could see few of the cash intraday strategies, and you could see few of the strategies which are based on futures and which are based on commodities, which come in with low risk to reward ratio. On a premium segment, we people have option buying and option selling strategies, multi-leg strategies, where Vaibhav Barge has 4 of his strategy listed, which are completely based on index option trading strategies. So I'll be showing you. So currently, we people don't have Vaibhav Barge strategy over this white label solution. We are expected to go live with it in the coming week itself. Apart from that, on our HNI marketplace, we people have multi-leg executional strategies. We people have hedging strategies and option selling strategies, which come in with a much higher risk and much higher capital deployment to actually generate alpha, to actually generate more returns for the investors. So now I would like to take you through Vaibhav strategy, which we guys were talking about. And today I'll be presenting Vaibhav strategy, which is on highest volatility VIX straddle sell Nifty index. And this is and once you click a strategy card, this is this is how the platform would this is how you're going to get to see end-to-end details about the strategy. Over here you could see what is the instrument the strategy has been performing in. You can see what is the strategy's name, who's the creator of the strategy, what was the ROI the strategy has generated, and you can find few of the basic details about what was the capital requirement, what's the hit ratio of the strategy. Apart from that, you can see what was the last trading price which it took entry at, and what was the last selling price, and what is the current PNL which is running on this account. Apart from that, you can find few of the basic details about the strategy code, minimum capital requirement, transactional charges which won't be applied, since Edelweiss customer already have their plan activated, and the recommended duration to keep the strategy, what would be the risk appetite, and what would be the desired profit per day. Apart from that, you could find few of the more basic details about strategy by Vaibhav Barge, and the strategy's name is going to be VIX straddle sell Nifty. And you could find the strategy is being performed on NSE, and the segment is NFT index and NSE index, and you could find the instrument being Nifty 50. Apart from that, you can see candle interval is minute candle, which means every time the candles are being scanned on minute to minute candle. Trading type is intraday, and trading start time and stop time. Apart from that, to know more about the strategy, you can see on what basis the strategy has been moving in, a few of the paper documentation or few of the details about the strategy, which is going to help you, which is going to actually help you understand the strategy much deeper and actually see how the strategy is going to help you generate more alphas. Apart from that, when we people think of making an investment, we people usually see, okay, what is the kind of ROI I would have achieved through this strategy and etc. Few of the data is needed, right? Or whenever we people invest in mutual fund, we people usually see when we people invest in mutual fund, we would like to see the fact sheet on how this mutual fund has been performing. Similarly, in algo trading, we people call this the backtesting report, which gives you end-to-end insight on how the strategy has been performing over the period of 12 to 17 months. Over here, there's a calculation of 17 months calculation of the strategy, which gives you end-to-end ROI of 2,89,037 rupees over a capital of 2,25,000, which is 100% return over the period of 17 years. And the ROI in percentage is around 128.46%, which is again derivation of the same number. Apart from that, we could also see that the maximum drawdown, which is the maximum loss associated with the strategy, or the maximum the strategy fell in a day, was of around 5.44%, which was at a loss of 10,000 rupees. And the number of trades the strategy took over the period of 17 months were around 738 trades, out of which win trades were 498 and the loss trades were 240, which brings this to a very good hit ratio of 67%. So hit ratio was what were the number of trades which were actually profitable than the number of loss trades. And in trading field, we people consider a hit ratio of 60 plus, considering a very good hit ratio for a strategy. And the strategy comes in with a hit ratio of 67%. And the average trade the strategy takes a day is around 27 trades. And whatever the number of trades the strategy has taken, all were short trades. Now, talking about maximum gain the strategy has delivered in a day is around 8,064 rupees, and the maximum loss the strategy has given is around 5,062 rupees. And the average profit you can book on a daily basis is 1,283 rupees, and average loss is around 1,300 rupees. Apart from that, when we people talk about returns, so over the period of 17 months, this strategy has given you around 128.46% of return. In last 30 days, the strategy fetched a 6.60% return. In the previous 2 weeks, the strategy has fetched around 2.38% return, and in the previous 3 days, the strategy has been moving at a minus 0.03% of return. Now, to maintain 100% transparency on our platform, we people bring in this feature called trade book, which shows you each and every trade punched in by this strategy on daily basis, and all the trades are being updated on daily basis, which means this is a continuous back testing being run on the strategy. Over here, you could see you could see over here on 30th December, there are two trades being punched with. One was on 10:45 and it squared off in 15 at a profit of 20 rupees. And the other trade was again at 10:45 where the other trade got squared off at around minus 1,574. On the previous day also you could see how the strategy has been moving, and what Vaibhav was talking about multi-leg strategy. So this is how the strategy has been performing, and this is how the multi-leg execution engine works, wherein you just need to click on execute and start the strategy, and the strategy automatically keeps running the trade in your brokerage account. Apart from that, since all those data, calculating all those figures on trade book and following up with each and every pages is a difficult job. So what we people have done is to simplify the role. We people have got this in a graphical format where you get to see end-to-end insight about the strategy, that what was the maximum the strategy has actually generated over the period of time, and what was the maximum loss the strategy has given over a period of time. Apart from that, you can see PNL percentage of the strategy going in on daily basis, touching 100 plus, and on a daily basis, you can see the PNL going over the loss side too. When we people talk about ROI curve, so suppose if you would have invested around 2,25,000 rupees from the day one, so this strategy has been giving you around 25, 35, 45,000 returns, and over the period of 17 months, which is almost 1.5 years, the strategy has given you around 2,90,000 rupees of ROI. And when we people want to see ROI in percentage, so over the period of the 17 months, the ROI generated by the strategy was around 128.46%. Similarly, when we people talk about equity curve, like how the strategy has been generating the equity, like if I would have invested around 2,25,000 rupees from the day one, what would have been its position now after 17 months? So if 2,25,000 was invested from the first day, today's position would be at around 5,15,000 rupees approximately. Similarly, considering the risk of the strategy, wherein you could see the maximum loss the strategy has given, the maximum loss the strategy or the maximum drawdown the strategy faced was of around minus 5.44%, which is like 5% of your capital being eroded over the period of day. So this is how a strategy card looks like, and this is how you can actually execute the strategy and directly take this to your platform. Apart from that, we people have other strategies of Vaibhav Barge too, which are on option buying too. So over here, this is a different strategy again by Vaibhav Barge, where this is on implied volatility on option buying. You could see all the details over here. Over here, risk appetite is over here. The profit a day is of around 5,000 rupees, and average loss in a day is around 1,000 rupees. So you could find end-to-end information over the platform, wherein you can see each and every trades being punched in. So today you could see the strategy gave you a loss of around 1,027 rupees, and in the starting trade it gave you a profit of around 27 rupees. So average loss in a day was of around 1,000 rupees. Similarly, you could see one buy call was at 650 and the another loss was at minus 1,650. So the average loss in a day was of around 1,620, and you can see the insight of the strategy, wherein you get to see what was the average profit booking and average loss booking of this strategy, wherein you could see the strategy has been being consistent. This strategy has averaged on a consistent given an amazing return of 516% ROI, since this is an option buying strategy. And when we people calculate the equity curve, so suppose I would have invested 35,000 rupees in this strategy, today the strategy would have been taken me to 2,10,000 rupees over the period of 17 months. And this is how the strategy has been very well managed, wherein you could see multi-level execution happening over here on short straddle and long straddle coming in together. And this is how well this strategy has been designed overall. Apart from that, if you want to use that strategy directly in your trading account, you can just click on execute and the strategy would be added to your portfolio. From your portfolio, you could see the strategy, which straddle buy strategy already being added on my portfolio. We people have some strong features. So now I'll be taking you through the strong features. So you could see which straddle buy strategy. So over here, if you want to change the lots, like suppose the strategy runs on 35,000. So suppose if you want to run the strategy on 70,000 and you want to do it with 2 lots, you can simply click on quantity size and do it with 2 lots. And if you want the risk, and when you make it 2 lots, you don't at that time risk appetite of 1,000 would be less. So you would make this into 2,000 and make the desired profit into 10,000. And this strategy is automatically going, and our system is automatically going to detect that yes, you have changed the risk appetite, and it is going to automatically take an exit whenever it comes to the PNL tracker part. So as soon as your trading PNL touches minus 2,000 rupees over 2 lot, the trade would automatically get squared off. And as soon as your PNL touches plus 10,000 rupees, your trading automatically gets squared off. To start the strategy, you just need to click on start every day morning 9 a.m. and this strategy would automatically get started to your broker's account. So in case if you weren't able to link your broker's account at the first place, you can go out over here. In case if you weren't able to log into your broker's account, you can just go out to the settings and go to brokerage solution. Just click on add, and you're going to find Edelweiss account, and you can just click and sign it. And you can just click and sign in with Edelweiss. And over here, you can punch in your login ID and password and actually start trading and actually start your trading experience with Edelweiss. Apart from that, what we people have is like all of us want to see how our trades have been moving in, and how we people want to know how can we keep a track of our trading book. So for this, we people have a PNL. We people have a PNL tracker under our live report, which gives us end-to-end insight about when was the last buy call generated by which strategy, and when was the last sell call generated for which strategy, and what was the strike price selected by the strategy. Apart from that, you could see the entry price, exit price, what was the loss or profit the strategy has booked, and you could see this, and you could see these are few of the blank spots over here. So suppose why are these spots blank? These spots are blank because I have manually taken a square off from my brokerage account. So yes, if you take a manual square off from your brokerage dashboard itself, then the strategy would automatically switch off the system, which means we people have developed such a smart system that the system is not going to again place a buy order thinking that there was an error in execution engine if there is any manual intervention happening. So the strategy automatically stops itself. And this is the trade book wherein we people always look out for our contract notes and actually want to keep a track on how many orders and what was the profit and loss generated with the strategy. So every order moved in through AlgoBulls. There are 2 IDs we people allocate. One is the order book ID, which gives you the understanding, okay, this is an AlgoBulls order, and the other one is broker's ID. So on your contract note, you can just copy this broker's ID and then search it, and you're going to find this, okay, this is an algo order placed in through AlgoBulls. So we people provide end-to-end insight from where you can understand, okay, how the strategy has taken an entry and how the strategy has taken an exit. Apart from that, you get an access to fund book, which shows you how your what was the usage of your AlgoBulls money. And similarly, you can find end-to-end information. Now, I would like to show you how, as Edelweiss customer, you can activate your plan. So you can just so for Edelweiss customer, you can just go to plans and wallets, click on free plan, and click on access all retail, premium, and HNI strategy. So any strategy in our marketplace from retail, premium, and HNI, you get access to all this strategy under the free plan by clicking onto this, and you can directly click on play, and this you can directly click on pay, and this account would be activated with AlgoBulls money to access all retail, premium, and HNI strategy. in case if you're looking to get if you're looking forward to get your strategy built by us and actually if you have any expert if you have any strategy which you want us to build and actually deliver it to you, you can get in touch with Edelweiss team. They can connect you to they can connect us to you, and we people can discuss further and get the strategy built. So yes, Sankan, now we would be open to questions, and if there is any question, you can punch into us.
Thank you so much, Vaibhav and Yash, both of you. So now we have a question. So I will be directing it to both you and Yash, Vaibhav and Yash, that is. Okay. So the first question here, I believe it's for Yash. For the daily activation of the strategy, do we have to log in every day? That is the first part. Also, between what time does one need to log in? Can it be post midnight? So yes, this would be for you.
So talking about logging in, right? You can log in anytime you can log in anytime onto the platform. And talking about starting the strategy, so as you could see, so like as on the screen I was showing you as on the screen I was showing you on the portfolio, you could see you can only turn on the strategy during the market hours. So it could be anytime during the market hours. So as now the MCX market is on, you could see MCX strategy I could only start MCX strategy, and for equity and derivative strategies, we would need to start it anytime during the market hours.
I believe that answers the question. Thank you, Yash. The next question is again directed at you, Yash. Does the PNL show the profit excluding the brokerage, transaction charges, etc.?
Yes, the PNL shows all the transaction excluding brokerage, and there is no transactional charge costed to Edelweiss clients, because you already have the plan activated. So there is no transactional charges which are supposed to be charged to Edelweiss customers.
Okay, so I would like to add in here, however, once the profit that is realized would only be after the brokerage that is charged, the STT and all the other taxes that would be there. So that would be your final realized profit, just in case. Thank you. The third question that is there, it would be both for Vaibhav and yourself, Yash. Is it possible to backtest an existing strategy with a different risk reward ratio? So Vaibhav, I believe you can answer.
Actually, Ankan, I would like that this question would be directed to me. So suppose if you want to backtest and paper trade any strategy, right? So we people have an option of backtesting and paper trading, which you can see it on the screen. In the backtesting part, as I've already I can just go out on manage strategies and just add Vaibhav Bhargave strategy, which was on option buying, to my backtesting and paper trading, and I could change the risk appetite. I could change few of the parameters. So like over here, I can add Vaibhav strategies, which is straddle by, adding to my backtesting and paper trading part. And as soon as the strategy is added, it would pop it and it would get popped up on my backtesting and paper trading part. You could see over here, I can change few of the parameters. I can customize my parameters. If I don't want the trading to start around 9:15, I want the trade to start around 10:15. I can make this kind of tweaks in the strategy related to the parameter side. And these are few of the parameters used for the strategy, which could be changed. I can use a different risk management system. I can choose the entry time, exit time, and how the exit order has to be placed, and the instrument which I want to perform the strategy. Suppose I don't want it on Bank Nifty, I would want it on Nifty. So we can do multiple tweaks in the strategy, do the backtesting and paper trading for the strategy using a different PNL risk appetite too. And once you click on start this would be there would be a report generated. There would be a report generated which gives you end-to-end insight on how the strategy has been moving. Similarly, you can practice paper trading during live market hours by changing the custom parameters and by changing custom PNL prices.
Thank you, Yash. This question is directed at Vaibhav. So if there is no change or a very little change in IV during the day, how does the strategy work in that case? Vaibhav?
Yes. So let's say implied volatility is not changing. so it won't affect on option premium. So anyway, we sold the option. So as a intraday time decay, little time decay is there. So that will help us. So loss chance is very less. If your implied volatility is not changing, so loss chance is na ke barabar.
Okay.
Fine.
Thank you, Vaibhav. I think that fairly answers the question.
Yeah.
So another question that is there directed at you, Vaibhav, is if let's say I don't have the adequate capital requirement of 2,25,000 that is mentioned in the
Okay.
strategy card.
Mhm.
So in that case, what can one do in order to access this strategy or use this strategy?
Normally 2,25,000 is actual margin, but let's say you have account with a different broker. So normally in India for short straddle margin requirement is around 1.5 lakh. So let's say you don't have margin, so you can work with long strangle which required 35,000 margin. So let's say once your margin is you have enough margin, at that time you can apply both strategy.
Okay, fair enough. Thank you, Vaibhav.
Yeah.
The next question that is there, do we need to maintain only minimum capital requirement or any additional amount needed to top it up?
Yeah, so talking about so like to answer this question, you can have as much amount as the margin in your broker's account. So that doesn't matter. Minimum amount would be just logged in for the trading for the strategy, which is actually expected. So since for Vaibhav's buy strategy, the minimum capital requirement is 35,000, though the trades have been taken at 25,000, calculating the additional drawdown amount is already kept as a buffer. So you can have as much margin in your account, but depending on number of lot size you enter, the trades are going to be taken accordingly. And if it doesn't meet the margin requirement criteria, then the strategy wouldn't turn. If margin is more in your account, that won't be a problem. But yeah, if margin is less than the minimum requirement, that time the strategy won't switch on.
Thank you, Yash.
And also
I
one
think-
more thing. You need not top up AlgoBulls wallet with the amount. You should top up your you should actually add funds in your Edelweiss account and start the system from AlgoBulls. AlgoBulls is deeply integrated with Edelweiss, wherein we people would be selling buy and sell signal to Edelweiss account. Yes, Ankan, I'm done.
Thank you, Yash. That was one of the most frequently asked questions regarding the wallet sync and how does the fund appear on AlgoBulls, and if I have my fund on Edelweiss Demat, how does it get used? So you have pretty much answered the most frequently asked question rather over here. So I'll just highlight it once again that anyone who is having any doubts regarding how your funds would be utilized and how it would be taken up from the algo trading part from the Edelweiss Demat, it is synced, and once you start your strategy there, the margin requirement that is needed for that particular strategy to run, it will be automatically absorbed by the system, and whatever margin or funds you have in your Edelweiss Demat account, it would be utilized for the same. So coming to that, thank you so much, Vaibhav. It was a wonderful session with all the concepts and the charts and the PPT that you showed. It was great knowing how we can use the market for ourselves rather than we not getting into like the everyday trading and keeping it consistent. Thank you, Yash, for the demo again on the micro site. It was really helpful as always. Wishing you all a very happy new year in advance. Stay safe, stay healthy. We will be coming up with more such webinars on algo trading along with AlgoBulls. Thank you so much. Thank you, audience, for your participation.
Yeah. Thank you very much.